Dear learners, in this video we will look into the learning portfolio activity 2. So, we have coming across the learning portfolio activities. There are, as you know, that there are 10 learning activities are available in this block 5 of MDE 418. So, in the second learning activity talk about the role of at least one technology, analysis of the role of one technology which is discussed in block 2. So, before getting into this activity, you are requested to go through the block 2 of MDE 518 course. So, go through all the material available in the block 2 and then you can start work on this learning activity 2. So, in this learning activity what you have to do is, the learning activity requirements are critically analyze the role of at least one technology discussed in block 2 in the context of your course. That means, here your course is, you have identified your course of your choice in learning activity 1. That will be continue from 1 to up to learning activity 10. So, you have to carry forward the course of your choice from activity 1 to activity 10. Basically the main, all the components, whatever the activity you are going to do in this course is based on your selection of the course. As you have selected your course in learning activity 1 and you have designed the very detailed outline for your course, here you have to work on what are the technology you are going to implement in the course which you have selected. That is what we are going to do in this activity. So, the objective of the learning activity are, after carrying out this task, you should able to demonstrate ability to analyze and identify the features of at least one technology used in the distance education to make a case or critique for its effective use. So, that is our major objective of this activity. And what are the tools and technologies you are required to develop this particular activity, because you are going to write a report. So, there is no specific tool is required. You are requested to work on word processing and you can submit the word file or PDF file of your report. So, your role in this activity is to select a technology discussed in block 2 and critique its strength and weakness in the context of the course that you have designed in learning activity 1. That is your role. You have to select any one technology discussed in block 2 and analyze critically its strength and weakness in context to your course which you have selected for LA1. The output will be assessed based on your report. That report should be 600 to 800 words. How your document will be assessed? The indicators of the assessment or the assessment shall be based on your ability to contextualize and personalize the application of the technology chosen for your course concern. Your response should be evaluative and practical in nature to show the strength and weakness within a real settings. So, learners support that what you have to take with the support of block 2 content. So, before getting into the activity, you go through all the content of block 2 as I mentioned earlier. So, what is covered in the block 2? Let us see in detail so that it will be helpful for you to develop this activity. In the block 2 is named as technology primer. So, in this block there are 5 units are available. The unit 6 talks about radio and audio and 7 talks about television and video and Unit 8 talks about satellite based education, and e-learning is discussed in Unit 9 and M-learning is discussed in Unit 10. So, select any one of this technology and go through, analyze which technology is suitable for your course which you have selected in learning activity 1. You select appropriate technology which is suitable for your course and discuss and analyze the technology and present the strength and weakness of that particular technology in this document. So, in the Unit 6 we will go through the detail of Unit 6. Unit 6 is have the radio audio medium, why it is there, and growth and development of radio audio medium India as well as the other countries also, and what are the characteristics, strength and limitation of radio, that is discussed in 6.2.2 section, and then the learning from radio, how the student can learn from radio technology, and then emerging trends, what is going on in the radio technology. For example, earlier days we use a radio as a medium. Now there is a internet radio also available, web based radio is also available. So these are the latest technology, how we can use it in our course content or course delivery, that we can you can go through and analyze. If you are selecting radio technology in your course, then you can present like this. For example, why you have to take this radio technology in your course? Suppose if your student, you have to see the target audience, your students are located in the very far area where the internet facility is not available, then you can use for interaction or dissemination information through radio in the remote area like. So this is how you have to analyze and select the appropriate medium for your course. Similarly, there are satellite radios are also available, and also there are podcasting systems are available where you can stream the audios with a you can select one topic and you can provide main number of audios in that particular podcasting, and student can able to listen that content from the subject matter experts. So similarly, community radio with a low cost FM radio is also available. You can analyze that one whether it will be suitable for your course or not. Based on that, you can write the report. And from this unit you can also learn about what are the basic formats of the radio, and how to write the script for radio, and how we can record and editing in the audio component, and also you can study what are the experience IGNOU have on the radio in education. This unit covers the basic component of the radio and audio system. And next unit talks about television and video. So here you can learn about the historical perspective of television, and also what are the potential and limitation of TV, and utilization of educational television. And then if you are not going for the television as a medium, then you can go for the video recording, and you can record the video with your course content, and all that can be disseminated to the student via webcasting or the video on web. So this is one type of the technology. This you go through the material in this unit 7 and then analyze it, whether you, again I am repeating that, whether you will see that this technology can be accommodated in your course, then you can take this as a medium and you can insert, and you can find the strength and weakness of the television which can be used in your, which can be going to use in your course. And next unit talks about the satellite based education. Here you will read about the historical perspective of the satellite, and what types of satellite and characteristics of satellites, and satellites and territorial communication, comparison study also there, and experience in use of satellite in education and satellite instructional television experiments. That is SITE is there, INSAT is there, that Indian National Satellite, and IGNOU has a satellite services also there. Then what are the experience that IGNOU is having, that all the things you will study about in this unit. Apart from that, the teleconferencing also possible in the distance education, as well as you can use it for your online education also. So, what are the technical description for the teleconferencing and advantage and limitation of teleconferencing, and type of teleconferencings are discussed in this unit. So, how to design a teleconferencing sessions also explain in detail. So, you can go through this material, you can design a teleconferencing session if it is suitable to your course, then you can go through, you can design a teleconferencing session for your course. So, as I mentioned, there is a 9th unit is explaining about the e-learning. So, when you are going in the learning activity 1, you are designing the course for either online mode or distance mode. If it is a distance mode, then you can think of audio, video and satellite based education, or the component which you can incorporate in your course. If you are planning for the course on online environment or online mode, then you can think of e-learning, m-learning for your course design. So, if you are going for online mode and going through the e-learning thing, this unit explain all the advantage and disadvantage of e-learning and characteristics of the e-learning solution, and then what are the instructional design for the e-learning, because you have to go through the instructional design that will help you for the designing the e-content, and as well as the instructional interactivity and the delivery system of the course which you are selected, and also how to create a content using some media creation tools and communication tools which helping for your interactivity, and also what are the e-learning environment, like for example the learning management system, and how to move towards the virtual education also discussed in this unit. And unit 10 discuss about the m-learning. In this unit, you will learn about the concept of m-learning and some examples, and also how to design m-learning environment also discussed in this unit. So, based on the information available in the units, you can select any one of the component, that means whatever the audio, video or radio or television, or otherwise e-learning or m-learning or teleconferencing session. With this you can select any one, or you can select any both the component. For example, in the distance in online learning, you can select some of the to interact with the student, you can use radio as a medium and e-learning as a is a major online environment. So, both can be also possible. You can select and explain all the strength and weaknesses, and also why you have selected the analysis of technology selection. First you have to say, we have to write in this report. After that, what are the strength and weaknesses of the that particular selected technology, also you have to write in this report. This report can be submitted in the format of Word file or otherwise PDF file. This will be evaluated by the mentor in this course as a internal assessment too. So, with this I will thank all of you. Thank you.